In front of me is Motorola Moto G13, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off automatic screen rotation on this Motorola. First of all, go into Tab menu. Now look for Auto Rotate icon, and when you find it, click on it. As you can see, auto rotation is now enabled. In order to disable it, click on the same shortcut again. You can also go into settings instead and tap on display section. Then scroll all the way down and click on this switcher next to Auto Rotate screen to turn it on or off. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!